Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can convert time. How do we convert hours, minutes, and seconds to decimal notation, and also how we can convert decimal notation to hours, minutes, and seconds. Right, let's look at the first one. The first one, we're going to convert hours, minutes, and seconds to just hours. How do we do that? Right, we come here, this key here, this is for degrees, minutes, and seconds. Degrees, minutes, and seconds. So that's the key that you use here. Okay, so you say 2 and then press the key that is for hours, and then 31 minutes, and then 48 seconds. You press the key like that. Okay, so we want to convert 2 hours, 31 minutes, and 48 seconds to just hours. Okay, after entering them like that, you just press your equal sign, and then you press SD like this. So you see that is fraction, then press SD again. So it has converted your 2 hours, 31 minutes, 48 seconds to just hours. This is 2,53 hours. Okay, right, I want us to convert this 2,53 hours back to hours, minutes, and seconds. What do we do? Right, enter your 2,53 like this, and then press the degrees, minutes, and seconds key, press equal sign, and then do you see that you have your 2 hours, 31 minutes, and 48 seconds. Let's take a simple one now. Maybe let's say 4 hours, 15 minutes. So how do we convert 4 hours, 15 minutes to just hours? You say 4 and press the key, then 15, and then press the key again. So we have 0 seconds here, so there's no need to enter 0 seconds, so you leave it like that. Then press the equal sign. You see that? Press SD, then press SD again. So 4 hours, 15 minutes, just same as 4,25 hours. Okay, and then let's say, for example, we have 5,12 hours. 5,12 hours. We want to convert it to hours and minutes. 5,12 hours. Say 5,12 hours, and then press the key for degrees, minutes, and seconds, and then equals. You see, it's 5 hours, 7 minutes, and 12 seconds. Even addition of time. Let's say we want to add 2 hours, 30 minutes, and 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay, 2 hours, 30 minutes, and 1 hour, 15 minutes. So you say 2, then press the key. That's 2 hours, and then 30 minutes, then press the key, that is 4 minutes, then plus, and then 1 hour, press the key, and then 15 minutes, then press the key again, and then equals. You see, so it means it's 3:45. So you can also use this when you're calculating time, not just conversion. Let's do subtraction. Let's say the time lapse between 10:45 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. That will be how many minutes? From 10:45 to 11:30, that will be 45 minutes. Because from 10:45 to 11, that is 15. Then from 11 to 11:30, that is 30. And then 15 plus 30, that is 45. I want us to use the calculator to see that. So we can say 11:30. So 11, press the key. Then 30, press the key. Then let's subtract 10:45 minus 10, press the key, and then 45, press the key. Then what do you get? You see, we're getting 45 minutes. 0 hours, 45 minutes, 0 seconds. This is how we can use the calculator to convert time.